Many business owners assume that integrating AI requires entirely transforming into a tech-centric company. Look back at the turn of the millennium. Businesses survived by adopting the internet as a delivery tool, not by becoming internet companies. Modern businesses must adopt AI exactly the same way, strictly as an operational tool. You can build what we call a self-licking ice cream cone. This is an automated system that feeds on its own data to generate daily marketing outputs in a continuous loop. You only need two things to start. First, a working manual standard operating procedure. Second, a daily influx of raw data, like customer feedback or recorded sales calls. Mastering this system allows you to take raw, everyday operational attention and convert it directly into profit without requiring continuous human labor. The first roadblock you will hit is the belief that your specific workflow relies on unteachable gut feelings or some kind of business magic. That intuition is actually just biological pattern recognition. You have spent years exposed to specific stimuli, and your brain has learned to react to them. You have to translate that internal logic into a highly literal, step-by-step document that maps your exact behaviors to your outcomes. An AI cannot infer missing steps or guess your intent. It can only execute the observable behaviors provided in your instruction set. If you refuse to erase the romanticism around your expertise and digitize your actual logic, the AI cannot replicate your success. Pure AI content creation struggles with credibility. Without real-world proof, B2B audiences will simply ignore it. Step 1 is connecting your daily Zoom call recordings directly to an automated transcription service. In the extraction phase, we push raw text through an AI filter. The bot identifies the 5 most interesting decisions from the transcripts and transforms them into structured files. This forces the AI to rely on true stories, preventing it from fabricating empty outputs. By grounding the AI in your actual recorded operational data, you bypass the proof problem that derails most AI marketing efforts. The trigger mechanism for our acquisition pipeline is a customer posting a win or a positive result inside your community forum or spreadsheet. In the transfer protocol, the specific text routes to an AI model that snaps on a targeted call to action. The AI pushes this enriched text through 6 visual design templates. Finally, those 6 images are pushed directly into a live ad campaign. This pipeline creates an automated cycle that converts customer success into live marketing material, cutting out the manual work required to turn a single win into a published ad. You will inevitably hit technical walls when trying to connect these APIs. This is the gap between high-level strategy and ground-level execution. When you get stuck, find a YouTube tutorial for the exact automation you need. Extract the transcript and feed it directly into the AI to generate step-by-step instructions. If the interface still doesn't make sense, use the stuck protocol. Take a screenshot of the confusing dashboard, upload that screenshot to the chat, and simply ask, "What do I do now?" Repeat this exact screenshot cycle over and over again until the bug is resolved. Raw technical skill is now a commoditized asset. The true advantage goes to those who layer their existing business acumen over AI-assisted persistence. You now have a fully integrated engine running from raw data to deployed ad, requiring 0 human intervention. Warning tone. The most common point of failure here is abandoning the system because the initial output is clumsy. Business owners fall into the John Henry trap. They compare a brand new, day one AI automation to a human process that has been optimized for 10 years, and they declare the AI useless. Instead, dedicate a single, uninterrupted time block, a weekend or an early morning, to go soup to nuts on automating just one specific workflow. Time scarcity is an illusion. Choosing to automate these workflows returns the hours you currently lose to repetitive tasks, giving you the bandwidth to focus on the high-level strategy that drives actual growth.